Discover the best online income-generating activities from cryptocurrency investing to dropshipping. Learn how to make money online and maximize your chances of success. Don't miss out. Watch now. Are you looking for ways to generate income online? Do you want to increase your chances of making money by investing or day trading? If the answer is yes, then you've come to the right place. In this video, you'll learn about various online income-generating activities, including cryptocurrency, investing, peer-to-peer lending, forex trading, online gambling, freelance gigs, network marketing, and dropshipping. Find out which of these activities is right for you, but remember, it's important to do your research and understand the risks before getting involved. Tune in to learn more. You won't want to miss it. Subscribe to NetWealth now and keep watching to find out which online income-generating activity is right for you. With the right knowledge and strategy, you can start making money and creating wealth online today. Don't wait. Start your journey to success now. Day trading isn't for everyone. It involves taking risks and being willing to accept potential losses in order to make quick gains, but also predicting short-term trends. Both approaches have their advantages, but they can be costly if done wrong or without proper risk management. Online investing is a great way to get into stocks without needing to know a lot about markets or having experience with them. You can use online portals to invest in stocks, ETFs, bonds, options, etc., with small amounts compared to traditional brokers, which cuts down costs and makes it easier for new investors to grow their money over time without needing to be an expert in personal finances. So, how do DIY investors make sound investments through online platforms? Investing online also gives you the opportunity to invest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. This type of investing is more risky than other investments, so it's important to understand the technical aspects of digital currencies like blockchain technology and mining rewards before you start investing. This way, you can make smart trades without losing money by not knowing which asset type is best for your portfolio or risk profile. How has the experience changed since volatile markets became more popular in the crypto world? Cryptocurrency investing can be risky, but there are rewards for those who understand the technology behind it and how to manage their investments. As cryptocurrencies become more accepted as a form of payment, they can be an attractive option for investors who are looking for potential high rewards. It's important to remember that long-term investing is usually better than speculation when it comes to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like P2P lenders and crowdfunding sites such as Kickstarter are becoming more popular, which means people can lend money directly to each other without any middlemen. This could have a big impact on financial markets. What tips do you have for 16-year-olds to ensure they are getting the best out of their freelance gig opportunities? Leave a comment with your answer. Peer-to-peer lending can be a great way for investors to make money from the interest of loans, but there is still some risk involved. To reduce this risk, you should carefully assess each borrower's ability to repay and spread your investments across different borrowers. That way, if one person defaults on their loan, it won't have too much of an impact on your investment. Forex trading is when you buy and sell foreign currencies with the goal of making a profit when the exchange rate changes. This type of investing can be risky, but it also has the potential to give you good returns if you do it right. To increase your chances of successfully predicting international currency trends, what factors should day traders consider? Online gambling is becoming a popular way for people to make some extra money. It involves betting on complex websites and usually requires knowledge of different strategies to increase your chances of winning. One thing to remember about online gambling is that it can be very unpredictable, so it's important to understand how bets work and be willing to take risks. Additionally, setting limits on how much you're comfortable losing will help make sure your experience is enjoyable rather than feeling like extra financial pressure or stress. So, how do experienced gamblers take advantage of unexpected market movements while they play? Freelance gigs are becoming more and more popular and are a great way for 16-year-olds to make some extra money. You can do anything from writing, web design, marketing campaigns, or app development. There's plenty of work out there. Before taking on a gig, it's important to do your research. Check Check out the client's portfolio and reviews from past clients to make sure you know what kind of job they're paying for. Set expectations beforehand, like deadlines and payment issues if they arise. Also, make sure to negotiate a fair rate based on industry standards so you don't accept anything less than what you deserve. Most importantly, make sure that this type of freelancing fits with your lifestyle and budget. With all these steps taken care of, why not look into investing in freelance gig opportunities? What tips do you have for 16-year-olds to ensure they are getting the best out of their freelance gig opportunities? Leave a comment with your answer. Freelance gigs aren't the only way to make extra money. Network marketing is another option that can help you make money based on your sales skills. Multi-level marketing, or MLM, is a type of network marketing where members use their friends and family to promote products or services. When they make a successful sale, they get a commission. With MLM, you can become an employee of an independent company within the corporate structure's distribution channels. This means you don't have to deal directly with customers or vendors, which can save money for the company. It also gives you access to markets that you wouldn't have access to otherwise. Drop shipping is a type of e-commerce business model that lets store owners sell products without having to keep an inventory. With this method, the seller works with suppliers who ship orders directly to customers on behalf of the retailer. Dropshipping gives small businesses and entrepreneurs access to a wide range of product options, while still allowing them to control pricing and customer service issues related to their own brand. It also requires very little money to start, since it eliminates the cost of warehousing that traditional retail stores have. Despite its advantages, dropshipping has been criticized for potentially low profit margins and lack of transparency in supplier relationships. This can lead to delayed or incorrect shipments, resulting in unhappy customers and potential legal disputes due to product infringement. So, what strategy should someone use when considering starting a dropship business? Dropshipping is a great way to get into e-commerce without the cost and hassle of stocking inventory. However, it's important that everyone involved knows their roles to avoid any problems. As a retailer, you'll need to be clear about product descriptions, delivery times, pricing agreements with suppliers, manufacturers, and customer service processes like refunds. Finally, and most importantly, you should make sure someone is keeping track of the process from start, order, to finish, dispatch. So that's an overview of dropshipping, an efficient method used by many retailers to access low setup fees while still offering customers quality products at competitive prices within reasonable lead times. With this knowledge of what dropshipping entails, how can potential businesses reduce risk when launching their business? This video explores different ways of making money online, ranging from day trading and online investing to cryptocurrency trading, peer-to-peer lending, forex trading, online gambling, freelance gigs, and dropshipping. Each approach has its advantages and risks, so it's important to understand the technical aspects of each before investing. To reduce risk and make sound investments, it's essential to do research, set expectations, and negotiate fair rates. Ultimately, this video provides an overview of the various methods of making money online, with a focus on reducing risk and understanding the potential rewards. Are you ready to learn the truth about online gigs? What works and what doesn't? Don't miss out on the chance to find out the secrets to success with online gigs. Watch the next video now to get the knowledge you need to make the most of your online gig.